I am creating my live video on Facebook. Hello there everybody, how are you today? So yes, it is Mr. Owen Fox here from Wexford in Ireland, coming at you. And in this video I want to talk about my true vibe. And I've just finished 3 days of raw food again, and no big detoxing from just eating fruits only, which it's good to do from time to time. I do feel my digestion has improved somewhat, to a great degree, to a good degree, somewhat. I don't know how much, but it seems to have improved for sure. I'm digesting avocados and salad better now. After doing my 2 5.5 day just fruit cleanses, or just fruit diets anyway. It wasn't supposed to be a cleanse, but yeah, day 3, I think my true vibe is best represented when I eat natural food, which is raw food, because cooking is unnatural and it's processed food, and it's dehydrated unless it's a soup. All are unnatural things that don't vibe with my body, which I would say otherwise my mind and emotional and spiritual self is a pretty high enough vibe, you know. But I think cooked food tends to bring down my vibe and imbalance it. So yes, I hope you get inspired by this video to eat the raw food. Sorry for the noise. Eat the raw foods and experience the bliss and joy. Just kidding, it's not blissful and joyful necessarily, but it can be. I think nature's blissful and joyful, just being at the sundown. And I also got sunrise and sun gazing this morning, and now I was at the beach for sundown, and it's absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, I think it's like, while it wouldn't be, let's say, blissful eating raw food, I think it's like definitely much higher vibration than not, for the most part. Cooked starches and cooked creams and oils and fats and all this sort of cooked food and dehydrated food is just disagreeable. So highly recommend eating raw food. You can make it tasty easily by adding in salt and avocado and add salads with tomato and lettuce and stuff. That's what I do. And yeah, I'll go on and off from fruits only to raw food only. So I hope this video helps you, my friends. Lots of love. Have a great day. And yes, make sure you stay connected on social media, and I'd love to talk more another time. Hello. Anyway, just kidding. I'll talk to you again, my friends. Lots of love to you, and I hope you have a beautiful 2021, okay?